Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 5. Find question number A is 1 by 2 of 24 and of 46. Now here you see that is question number 1 is question number A. Question number A is A1, that is 1 by 2 of 24. 1 by 2 of means multiply of 24. 1 by 2 of 24. Now if we change into lowest term, it is 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 12 into 1, that is 12 by 1, 12 by 1, that comes to 12. Right? Now in 2, question number B, 1A2, 1 by 2 of 46. 1 by 2 of 46. That is equal to, of means multiply, that is 1 by 2 into 46. 46. Now if we change into convert into lowest term, that is 2 1 is 2, it is 2 2 is 4 and 2 3 is 6. That is equal to 23 by 1, that is equal to 23. Right? Now question number B is question number B1. Question number B1 is 2 by 3, 2 by 3 of 18, 2 by 3 of 18. Of means multiply, that is equal to 2 by 3, 3 into 18. That is 3 1 is 3 and 3 6 is 18. That comes to 6 2 is 12 by 1, that is equal to 12. Right? Now B of 2 is 2 by 3, 2 by 3 of 27, of 27. That is will be equal to 2 by 3 of is multiply 27. That is 3 1 is 3, 3 9 is 27. That is 9 2 is 18 by 1. That comes to 18. Right? This is AB. Now you solve question number C. Question number C is, here you see, question number C is C1. C1, that is 3 by 4, 3 by 4 of 16. That will be equal to 3 by 4 of is multiply 16. If we change into lowest term, 4 1 is 4, 4 4 is 16. That will be equal to 3 4 is 12, 3 4 is 12 by 1, that is equal to 12 answer. That is equal to 12. Now 3 of 2. Question number C 2. 2 is 3 by 4, 3 by 4 of 36, of 36. Therefore this will be equal to 3 by 4 of means multiply 36. That is 4 1 is 4, 4 9 is 36. Therefore 3 9 is 27 by 1, that comes to 27. Right? Now question number D. Question number D is 4 by 5 is 4 by 5 of 20. Therefore it will be equal to 4 by 5 of means multiply into 20. If we change lowest term, 5 1 5, 5, 4 20. That is 4 4 16. By 1, that comes to 16. Right? This is D1. Now D2 is 4 by 5, 4 by 5 of 35. That will equal to 4 by 5 of means multiply 35, or 5 1 5, 5 7 35. That will equal to 4 7 28. By 1, that will equal to 28. 28. This is the solution of question number 5 of exercise 2.2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.